How to enable subtitles in Rainbow Six Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you want to turn on the subtitles in Rainbow Six Mobile game, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the game on your device and in the lobby page, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon. This will open settings. From here, go ahead and tap on the accessibility button on the left hand side. Under HUD, toggle on the button right next to subtitles under HUD. After you do that, you'll be able to turn on the subtitles setting for your Rainbow Six Mobile game. Now, dialogue and in-game audio text will appear on screen so you don't miss any callouts or storylines. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.